Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. There we go, Bluetooth on. Now, from any screen, onto menu, sync settings, top one, click, Bluetooth on, Bluetooth devices, set defaults, master reset. So second one down, Bluetooth devices, click OK. No phones found, sorry, no phones paired, please add a phone. Adds far left, cancel far right. So add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
That'll change there to sync in a second. We'll just wait till it does. There you go, sync. So search for sync on your device, sync, click.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So it's saying 873482 and 873442 there, so we want pair there, and yes on the far left, yes. Do you want it to allow your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, I won't be using it again, but you will, so don't allow for me. But that's it, pairing successful, it's done. You see there,
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Yeah, good luck with that. It doesn't understand what I say, so it's just a waste of time. It's asking me if I want to download the phone book. Again, I don't, but you probably will. That's all sorted.